In my career, I have seen project fails, not because people weren't talented, it's because no one managing it properly. Deadline missed, scope changes, and people are confused. And end of the day, everyone asking, what's really going on here? Hey everyone, my name is Anusha Gamage. I think some of you already know me from my SAP Beginner to Career video series, but today I'm not here to talk about SAP. I started my career as sales coordinator, then I moved to IT department as a SAP consultant. But over the time when I'm doing project, there's something I realized. It's that I'm the person who always, I would say, managing timelines and the scope, as well as I'm the one who connecting people together. Let's say stakeholders, I'm the one who connecting stakeholders together, doing the continuous follow up, monitoring the budget, and really stress about the timeline whether we could achieve this or not. I'm the one who doing all the things apart from delivering my SAP consulting job. So over the time I realized that this is not something about systems. This is not something about giving technical solution. I'm doing something else. I need to really find it. With that, I found myself as a project manager. So here we're going to talk about in this series about project management. Every day in our day-to-day operation, every one of us managing project. Every one of us are stressing about timelines, deadlines. We always talk about our counterparties, stakeholders, and we following up the pending items. So every one of us are managers. Even though we are not titled as project manager, every one of us managing project in our day-to-day operation. So in this series, I'm going to talk about the project management, what are the responsibilities, job role of a project manager, and what are the activities he or she doing inside the office, and also key project management concepts. Also, adding to that, I will be discussing about project life cycle, what are the documents which we use during this project life cycle, and the revenue model of a project manager, whether he could do a freelancing job or not, as well as the certification. So I'll show you the detailed content of this series. And even though you are a technical project manager, business project manager, or maybe you are from a person who from finance, from sales, believe me, every single person wants these concepts to use in his work. As I mentioned, you might not title as a project manager, but these concepts, the way of working is gonna be really helpful for you, your day-to-day activities. So let's check out what are the my series content. So in this series, I'm going to talk about foundation, covering what is project management, who are project manager, and what is the project life cycle, approaches, agile or maybe waterfall, those project management approaches. And in my second episode, I'm gonna deep dive about the core concepts of the project management, such as stakeholders, scope, schedule, cost, risk, quality, communication, kind of uh, key concepts. And in third episode, I'll be talking about project management documentation. What is the project chart document, WBS, risk register reports, closure document, lesson learned, kind of a documentation where we use during our project life cycle. And finally, final episode, advanced and career. What are the tools we use as a project managers? Can be a Microsoft Planner, Asana, kind of a tools, and certification, PMP certification, and freelancing opportunities, and as well as a little bit about my journey. So these are the content of my this channel, the series. So I hope this will be helpful to everyone, not just for project managers, to everyone who work in corporate or maybe doing your own job. These concepts, uh, will be important, because especially when we're talking about stakeholders, I'll be telling you how we could manage stakeholders, how we could identify our stakeholders, kind of information I'm giving you. So yeah, then from next episode onwards, as I mentioned, we'll talk about more into project management, and I invite every one of you to join with me in this project management series as well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so, and let's meet in next episode.